Hey guys, what's going on? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get The Sims 4 on your phone, no jailbreak. So this works on iOS and Android, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So it's very easy. So go to this site, zoomods.com, and then go to the search bar, right? And as you can see, it says Sims 4 Mobile. They call it Sims 4 Mod. Press on this, and it will start to download onto your phone. Now, if you have a decent internet, guys, it will download pretty fast. So basically, guys, you are going to have to do a verification. So what this means is you need to download like 2 apps and complete the instructions. These are completely for free, and they're from the official app store. So as you can see, it is loading up right here, and here it is. So please install 3 apps to install the mod. So you just have to download some of these apps. You press on the app, you can see it does redirect you to the App Store, and you just complete whatever the specified instructions say, and you will have Sims 4 Mobile on your phone. So as you can see, download, install, complete level 9, download, install, complete level 10, install 2 apps, download the game. So I'm not really someone that gets involved because, like, Sims 4 is hard. It's hard to get on a phone, but I have it on my phone right now. This actually works, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. If you guys are ever in the market for The Sims 4, guys, this is how you play it on your phone. So I'm going to see you guys later. Be subscribed to the channel because this fully works, guys, and it is super awesome. So if The Sims 4 is on your wish list, but you don't have a PC, then be sure to try us out because it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. And this is super awesome. So yeah, it fully works, guys, on all devices. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Tell all your friends about this. And yeah, peace out, guys.